this tutorial video will show you how to extract image from PDF.
Open your browser and search for PDF to image and search for this. Once you search for this, you select small pdf.com here. They are the fourth or the fifth site on search. I'll be putting the link to this site in the video description so that you can easily get redirected to this site. So once you click on the site, you get redirected to the site. Then you'll be asked to choose the file you want to convert into image. Choose file. You have to open your storage and select the PDF you want to convert. This is a PDF here. The second image here is a PDF. So you're going to select the PDF. You wait for some minutes while it is uploading. Then you click on convert. You have to wait while the image is converting to image. So you can see the image has now been converted into image. You can just click on the download icon here. Then the image will be downloaded into your phone. You can see this is the image. The image has been downloaded. So you can download the image now. That is just how you can convert a PDF to image, how you can extract image from PDF. Please, if you've learned one or two things from this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on the YouTube channel. As well, you can just comment subscribe so that I can give you a welcoming hug. Thanks for watching.